Hi friends, how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing great. I'm glad to come your way again with another recipe. So guys, today we are having rice and stew with a little bit of chicken on top. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the ingredient we'll be using. Here we have onion, sweet pepper, hot spicy pepper, all blended together to make our sauce. I'm going to go ahead and pour this in a pot, place it in the oven to start cooking. While that is drying up, I'm going to go ahead and marinate my chicken. Yes, today we'll be using chicken. And I'll be pouring my pepper mix. This is just onion and hot spicy pepper. You can add ginger if you prefer. Here I'll be adding my spices. Of course, you're more than welcome to use any spice of your choice. As you can see, I've just added basil, parsley, cinnamon, all-purpose seasoning, curry powder, and salt to taste. So I'm going to go ahead and mix all of this together to get the best out of it. It's already looking good, guys. Here we have seasoning cube. I'll also be mixing all of this together. After that, I'm going to go ahead and cover this up and allow it to settle for some minutes, approximately like 3 or 5 minutes before cooking it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour out my rice. Look guys, I love this rice so much. After cooking this rice, it's always on its own. That is the best thing about this rice. It never stick together. So I'm gonna go ahead and thoroughly wash this rice and then cook this with my rice cooker, guys. So here our meat is already cooking. Yeah, I think I've added a little bit of water. Sorry, I didn't show that, guys. I've added a little bit of water. I'm gonna go ahead and fry this chicken. Okay, the chicken is already all fried up, looking delicious and all browny. And this oil that is left here is what I'm gonna use to prep my stew. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in a little bit of onion there, and then my pepper mix added. So I'm gonna go ahead and stir all of this together. Our stew is already coming together, okay? It's already getting ready. So I'm stirring that in now. Here I'll be adding a little bit of spices. As you can see, I just added seasoning cube, salt, parsley. So guys, you can skip this part if you don't want to add more spices to your food. I've just added cinnamon, basil, and all those good stuff. I'm just gonna add them together and then stir them up. Yeah, I try as much as possible to mix this properly, okay, so you can get the best out of it. Here I've just added my chicken stock. I'll be adding a little bit of water and then go ahead and stir that in properly, guys. It's already looking good. Yes, I'm adding a little bit of water because I want to achieve the consistency that I desired. If you like your stew watery, you can go ahead and add a little bit of water, but this is how I like mine to be. As you can see, I just added a little bit of spring onion. Yeah, just to get that spring onion flavor. I'm gonna go ahead and cover this up. It's already done, guys. Yeah, this is our rice. Our rice is all well cooked. I'm dishing out the rice now. As you can see, as I told you guys earlier, the rice is usually on its own. It never sticks together. That is why I love this rice so much. I'm just adding a little bit of sauce in there paired with my chicken. Isn't that looking amazing? You can go ahead and pair this with any vegetable of your choice. It can be broccoli, it can be peas, corn, as you desire. Thank you so much for watching up to now. I'm gonna see you in my next one. Stay blessed.